What is going on, everybody? My name is Bleeves, and I'm here to talk to you about the one that started it all. And you might be thinking, well, that's Dogecoin. Well, maybe, but that Dogecoin dog, it had a name. And her name was Kabosu. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right.
I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid. I'm checking my coins around breakfast.
All right, guys, we're going to start here with a little price action. We're going to show you what Kabosu looks like on the price charts. This is a token launched on 12/30 of 2022, thriving sort of community. And when I say thriving sort of community, you have not seen Kabosu enter your chat and lived to tell about it, because they come in like bandits and they go crazy. Kabosu is a thriving and vibrant community. And listen, we're talking about meme coins right now. We're talking about the things that are moved by community sentiment, and that is one of the primary motivators in the meme coin universe, right? Well, this is what's happened because of that. Now you look at the price over here and you look at the price at the max. So you're talking about a token that at one point in its launch in the first month had a $4 million market cap. Imagine how happy the early adopting investors have been over this situation. Now, additionally, look at this 24-hour trading volume, $400,000 in trading volume in a short period of time. Liquidity is about 10%. So, fair enough. That's a pretty good one. And when we look at the taxes are very, very simple. They're not overbearing. This is more of a structure, like something that you'd really want to see. And this is a good swing or day trading option, which is probably why you see so much activity going on. But what is Kabosu? Kabosu, the female Shiba Inu featured in the original meme, was a pedigree puppy who was sent to an animal shelter when her puppy mill was shut down. She was adopted in 2008 by Japanese kindergarten teacher Atsuko Sato and named after the citrus fruit Kabosu, because Sato thought she had a round face like the fruit. Kabosu was first pictured in a 2010 blog post by Sato. Afterwards, variation of the pictures used overlaid Comic Sans text were posted from a Tumblr blog, Shiba Confessions. However, the use of the intentionally misspelled Doge dates back to January of 2009, when it was mentioned in an episode of Homestar Runner's Puppet series. This is what started it all. This is Kabosu. Now, let's go down here. Look at the tokenomics. Tokenomics is a 1% buy tax, 1% sell tax. The contract info is a 999.4 billion token supply. Contract address right here. Very simple, very easy to go buy Kabosu. Links are going to be in the description down below. And here's some fun facts. Now, this is what I'm talking about when I say, community matters. The community has been nothing but positive. They're following this dog all the way. November 2, Kabosu turned 17 years old. She was a pedigree dog from a puppy mill. When the puppy mill closed down, she was abandoned along with 19 other Shiba dogs. I wonder what those 19 other Shiba dogs are doing right now. Are they living that Kabosu life? And this is dedicated to this dog who is now 17 years old. And you might be asking yourself, well, why does that matter? Well, here's the thing. And by the way, they have adopted Volta Change if you are looking and if you are interested as a Volt member and you're following this channel. And additionally, here's your token sniffer coming in at a score of 100 of 100. Everything that you want is in the green. So is this a safe token? Well, that depends on the community. And that depends on the sentiment in the market. And that seems to be positive right now. So we come back over here. We're going to look at this price action one more time. What do we see when we're looking at this? We see a lot of volatility to the up and to the down. So the important thing is establishing some good positions. Now, not giving you financial advice. I'm never telling you what you should be doing, but you should be looking at price action. And you should be looking at action right around in this area right here. Seems to be a very good bounce area. Now, you can see here that was used as resistance multiple times at this 14, let's call it 1450 area. Then it was used as support multiple times over and over. You see it fell out here, but came rapidly back in and we're on the 1 hour charts, by the way. And yesterday you saw the big sell-off. The big sell-off happened. Another opportunity presented itself at 14%. Now, once you do the math on this, 14% up to 21%, that's a 50% gain for anybody playing on these lines right here. Am I telling you this is a great investment for you? I'm not doing that. I'm telling you to do your own research. Start doing the math in your brain on what this chart looks like and how this chart is pumping. And what if this thing gets back up to another all-time high? Now, remember, community tokens, they tend to have a pretty decent life. And what happens after this? Well, that's when the big move happens, right? So does a big move happen here? I don't know the answer to that. Here's what I do know. Kabosu started it all. It wasn't Doge. That was just a fake name. Her name was Kabosu. So you got a vibrant community. You've got Kabosu, the original. What do you think is going to happen here? This is not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I am always right. And we'll talk to you guys again very soon.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining